finally left the stoop. Got to know myself and realized on the truth. Walked outside with a brand new dude. Man, I'm feeling brand new, new me, who you? Stoop kid finally left the stoop. Got to know myself and realized on the truth. Walked outside with a brand new dude. Man, I'm feeling brand new, new me,
Hey yo,
who you?
welcome to my show.
Another sky, mean the blessing come in, baby.
I know this is something a little different for my page, not other than reaction, but it's more a little bit of me. And Zaya, that's my baby Zaya. Say hi, Zaya. She said hi, y'all. Yeah, she ready for the camera, y'all. Y'all ready to see some more Zaya? Cause she ready for the camera. She ready for that sucker. You know, this has became really peaceful, especially when I've been having so much drama of, not even drama, you know, you ever realize that you're wrong and you create so much drama in your head that it just, you just need to just do this, just clear it out and not let none of that affect you, because you know it's not nothing serious, because life is just gonna keep going. And the only way it's gonna stop unless I stop it, and I ain't stopping no time soon. So get ready to see me. Here I come. But where I'm at, I didn't even tell everybody where I'm at. Right now I'm in Atlanta. Just a bike trail. I like walking the bike trails because they're on top of hills, so I get a full body workout of really like walking up all these trails. And my pup, she gets a full workout. We're trying to get to the stop so we can take our water break. We're almost to it, so we can do this water break because I'm thirsty and I know she's thirsty. And we about to kill all this water. Y'all see some more beauty with it. And one of my favorite things to do is nature walk. I feel like one thing that we keep forgetting is that we have to become one with nature. And when we forget that, we forget the real meaning of life. And that is to preserve life and to love life and love the life that's here. And stop trying to let artificial things take over what the real beauty is out here. This has been like a really good walk for me, you know, especially when my mind has been going crazy. I've been going through so much mentally, emotionally, spiritually, financially. You know, God will come and show out when it's time. He will let you know when you need to snap back and get your armor suited back up because you think you're slacking. And, you know, I've really just been trying to figure out my purpose in this world, and you know, my purpose of life, and come out here and share joy, happiness, love, peace. I really just want to share, that's what I really want to share. I just really want to share just life, like the things that we think are ugly, like look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is reproduction. This happens every year. We can't not make this happen. So this is a creation that's always going to be here. Way longer than me. Way longer than her. Even if we do try to come and destroy and put apartments and buildings on top of it, this is what's underneath. This is the sun. I'm trying something new, you guys. So this is my, I'm on a fit journey, like, you know, trying to get my body in tip-top shape. And this became one of my things to do on my fit journey, is get out and walk and see nature and explore this world, explore this earth. And that's about to be my new goal. And what I want to do is travel and see this earth. We live once. I will never get to see this stuff again, ever. This is the only time I will, my one time in this life. So why not see it? Don't hide from it. Go see it. Go live in it. Go love it. I gotta say, life has gave me a lot, but you know, one thing life hasn't like really hit me with was, it's hit me with death, but I've never lost somebody so close, like so close to me that, you know, that just makes you like question what's going on. But then you have to realize how beautiful life some people live. And I just recently lost my grandma, and you know, it was 2 days after Christmas, and it was just, I haven't been able to bring in the new year right, because, you know, funeral, you know, her birthday was the 7th of January. Funeral was the weekend before her birthday. And then you never get the time to mourn, because that time you have to get there, do the funeral, mourn, bury her, and then you have to hurry up and rush and get back to, you go back to work. So you don't really get time to just sit there and say, dang, I miss you, Grandma. Or, you know, you got to say it to yourself, but you don't get that time with your family. So it still feels like, you know, it doesn't feel real, because you have to just go back to normal life and just forget that that person existed. And that's the hardest part, because you can't forget. That person's made such an impact in you that you think about them every day. So it's just so hard for you to press forward, because you get distracted and mentally blocked with the things of like, dang, my inspiration, the person that, you know, pushed you, the person that made you want to work harder because you wanted to take care of them. You know what I mean? Like, the person that just made you feel like you were unstoppable. Whew. It's like you'll never have that feeling again. I'll never hear that voice again. I'll be back, y'all. I don't know where we at. You gotta lead. We just had a water break, and now we back. The girl's just tired. She ready. She like, okay, when we going back? She said, where we at? Let's go. Let's go, Zion.
Little kid finally left the stoop. Got to know myself and realized on the truth. Walked outside with a brand new dude. Man, I'm feeling brand new, new me, who you? Still kid, finally left the stoop. Got to know myself and realized on the truth. Walked outside with a brand new dude. Man, I'm feeling brand new, new me, who you? Another scar mean the blessing come in, baby. Yeah, another scar mean the blessing come in, baby. 1, 2, blessings on my shoes.